All right, that should hold it. Double check the back straps. They're secure. Let's roll.